Now, in this picture, you can see very clearly a line which is of length 264 centimeters is absolutely parallel to popping crease and also joining both the written creases and also joining both the white markings is nothing but the bowling crease. Well, now you can see a big straight line which is of 244 centimeters joining both the popping crease and bowling crease and also parallel to white is nothing but the written crease. Now you can see a line which is absolutely parallel to bowling crease and also at an angle of 90 degrees with respect to both written crease and wide mark and also joining both the written creases and wide marks. This is nothing but the popping crease. And also this is the longest line which can be extended to any length. And remember, this line can also be called as batting crease if this end is a batting end. The distance between the popping crease and bowling crease is 122 centimeters, or you can say the distance between the batting crease and bowling crease is 122 centimeters. The distance between the both written creases is 264 centimeters. The complete length of written crease is 244 centimeters. The length of popping crease or a batting crease can be extended to at any length, as we said earlier. This is how the different lines with different measurements represent in the pitch.